Hi, this is Randall Murphy with the Pool Builder Geek Customer Success Team, and we appreciate you signing up. And we're going to walk you through in this video the phase one of the administration and team setup. Before we go down to the team setup and organizational settings, when you first log in, you're going to see this dashboard here. And if you want to configure this, you can edit that and add. We are adding more widgets as time goes on, but if you want to kind of set this up and add what's available, you can do this right here. And again, we will be adding more widgets with different types of reporting and dashboards for this dashboard rather. But anyway, you can kind of set this up, and this will, once you get some jobs populated, show you where your jobs are at on the heat map here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit done editing there. So again, this dashboard, this will be the first thing you see when you log in. You can change that. So right up here, if you go up to your icon and go to settings, you can actually set it to default wherever you want to go to when you first log in. So right now mine is at the dashboard. If I wanted this to default to construction jobs or sales leads, I can do that there. I can also change the color of my avatar. And then if I want to do push notifications for the browser here for notifications from system messages, you can do that. So save settings. Okay. So now let's jump into the steps on the phase one administration team setup. So the first thing we recommend doing is as an admin when you're logging in, let's go down to your organizational settings over here under administration. I'm just going to click on that. And here you can make sure everything's correct as far as your contact information, or if you need to change anything. It also shows you kind of what features are on for your organization, your work schedule, whether notifications are on for customer, subcontractors, and employees. You can set that all here. And then settings. This will have stuff you can control for your specific organization and just kind of specific to you. Billing, so we will have that section coming soon. But this is the organization setting. Design center, if you're going to be doing the 8i designs, you can set up your templates in here, kind of set those how you like there. But again, overall, the first thing recommend is just basically coming in, looking at the overview and making sure that everything's correct for your organization. You can also upload your logo there too. Let's click on edit here, and I'll just put in. And let's see if I don't have a logo for here. Choose that one there. Okay, so that's the basic, just the organization settings. Sorry to keep saying that, but that's where that's at. So now we're going to go up to how to add team members or your employees. So you're going to scroll up here, and that's going to be under contacts. And so right here, you'll see that Art Vandelay is the only user in here right now. If you want to add an employee in here, and you can also give whatever role you'd like for just, maybe it's another admin, project manager, and so forth. Let's go ahead and make it an admin for now. You don't have to fill out the street address and everything, but you can. This also determines if the push and or the email and SMS notifications are on for this particular person. So let's create that. And then if you want to set a password for someone, you can just come right here and hit set password. Come up and you can put in the password for them. Or if you wanted to delete a person or reset a password there, if you got that option there. Okay, so that's setting up a team member. So now we're going to go down to groups. So here you could set up employee groups. You could put, this could be like a general chat for your whole organization. Maybe you're going to add everybody to, and we'll make this a chat channel, and then we can pick people. This does not have to be done in the initial setup. It's just kind of, since we're in this section, just adding employees. kind of the next natural thing to show. But you don't have to do this in this first phase, but it's kind of logically, it's after you've added team members might be the time to do it. And then we've got that there. Okay. And so that is setting up your user groups and everything. And then the last thing we're going to do for this particular phase, for phase one, we're going to add the file categories. Because once you start uploading everything here, we're just going to add in, we'll do construction plan. And this is how you can control who sees what. So we'll just say select all, that everybody gets to see this particular thing. But maybe like it's a contract once you start uploading that. And you want to limit that to maybe just admins and accounting, so forth there. So basically what this does, it gives the permissions of who can view that file. And so these are the steps in phase one. I hope this video is helpful. We're welcome to comments and feedback, so just let us know. Thanks a lot.